There are two common speed reading techniques you can use when getting information from a reading text: skimming and scanning. Let's talk about the differences between them at first. Skimming is usually used when you would like to get a general idea of a text. For example, you look through a text quickly to find out what the topic is about and its main ideas. The other type is scanning. You use scanning to find keywords or specific points in a text. In most cases, you know what you are looking for, so you are focusing on finding a particular answer. Now let's look at some examples and decide on the appropriate strategies to deal with different reading tasks. The first one is, which technique would you use to find a telephone number in a telephone directory? That's right, we're using scanning to locate the specific number. The second would be, which technique would you use to find the name of a village in the index of an atlas? Yes, scanning will be used to find the information. The third question, which technique would you use to find an article in a magazine which was interesting and worth reading? That's right, we definitely would use skimming to find out what might be interesting for reading. And the fourth one, which technique would you use to find the score of your favorite team in a list of football results? You're right, we're looking for a specific number, so we're using scanning. The next one, which technique would you use to find a book you are interested in from a page of book reviews? Right, we use scanning to locate this information. Great, I would like to share a little bit more about how to employ these two strategies for speed reading. When we are skimming, we read quickly to get an overview prior to in-depth reading. Although we may still need to read the entire text, by skimming first, we can decide where we would want to concentrate on. Basically, we can skim the text quickly to get an indication of the scope and content of the text. Also, we can read the first and last paragraphs to get the main points. And we can look at the first sentence of each paragraph to see where the content of the paragraph will lead. And also, we can note the key points in the summaries. Okay, and for another case, when we are doing scanning, we run our eye quickly over the text to locate specific words or phrases that are of interest. So we can scan headings and subheadings, images and artwork, the body text for authors' names, the contents page itself, the index for specific words. This will help us decide whether we should read further and how useful this document might be for our study.